Finally. Sorry about that. Who the Ross you think is, boy? I mean make you. I mean pop you down. This thing are bigger than you. You need to understand that. We think say you're Pablo Escobar or something. Let's get this one thing straight. Me run this show. Understand that. You disappoint me for the last time. Oh. My show now.
I want to talk to you.
Shh, hold on.
So what you're watching on TV is more important than what I have to say. I want to talk to you now.
I from the minute to say that department. Bomba clan, man.
Yes, me have to stay on top of you. Cause this is my house, and if you think you're gonna disrespect me inside here, you have the wrong girl. It's not going to work.
Boy, man, I tell you, So where you now?
You tell me. You sit down up in my couch like you're a king.
Yeah, as I come with some like a years thing, and some like a regular thing. I mean, tell you, I have a time and patience for it. You say you need to talk, and you not talk about nothing. Me is all ears.
Alright, big man. You see, whoever you have a drive up and down in my car, my BMW, when me allow you for drive, you just have to pack up and go stay with her in a big man, because you can't stay here, so.
So wait, you put me out. Eh? That you really want me to do? You want me to leave?
Exactly. I need you to leave.
You know what? I probably feel best. 'Cause as long as I live under your roof, you go and come deal with me like me and some little boy. Oh, you don't depend that. You see you, Diane, you're gonna make your friend them deprive you of me. Them want me. The whole of them want me. Them are like see you with me. So I'm gonna tell you all kind of things for broke me up and you fall right in them trap. You come in here and accuse me and I throw me out and all them things there. And you know something I know where to go. But it's all good still, Me I leave. I not say nothing.
Hello? Oh, hi. Hi, Mark. What's up? Broke up with who? Why would you want to do that? You guys made such a cute couple. But Mark, when me you spoke about that, then I was only playing with you. And you know I'm not the commitment type anyway. But you can't come here. At least not tonight. Because I'm indisposed right now. Anyway, I have to call you back some other time. Alright? Bye. See you later. Come here.
Thanks again. So how you doing, Mark? Is everything okay with you?
Well, I'm too can't complain, Mr. Green.
Good to hear that, man. Junior should be back in a minute now. I took one of the cars to go get some gas in a minute. Should be back in a minute. As a matter of fact, here it comes.
Yo, where's the Mark? Yo, I'm struggling now, just be a pressure my youth. What you talk about my youth? How you reach ya? How you carry it? Yo, I don't want you to say crash now. Cause you know you have to drive like you're a madman. No, I'm not like that still, man. Me and Diana are looking spot and still over the second girl like. You know look a beef still. Who you talk about? Delilah? Same one. Channel my youth. Can't believe you're still in a fool mode again. You know what's your name, man? I'm gonna tell you it's a long time to she ever think you. I'm gonna prepare already and show you say I work, that girl I work. But to come like you know take me serious. I me bring it down for myself still. She'll throw me out to that road boy. I don't even know where I go tonight. She'll know. Last morning I got to take and catch bus and come. Don't look like I'm looking to catch your car. No, the soul lock up. Damn. I don't know if I'm gonna stay the old man yard again. They'll say that good. How much for me there right now, just me and my girl and the two youth, them and it's small. You know how comfortable that's right now, my youth. Yo, we can go check my man. Island man, they're going good now still enough. Yeah, you need to go check him, man. Eh, I know somebody, man, tell me say me that ask me. Yeah, I'm telling me say me that build a studio, you know. 2 months ago, I'm back here from me, you know. So I'm like the one I'm sell Diane. See one like yours. You know? And that man have a big house to and building a road, boy. You need to check him still, but me hear some little things about man, there's some big time thing you mean about. Me don't know that's fair fact still, but you still want to check him and so I go on. I want to share some name of a number for him, and I don't know how to locate him right now. Me drop him, man. Close to my one man him living up, like about 4th Street over. And tell him I go on good. You know? But yo, I'm gonna talk to the old man and make him know something and flash out. Give me a minute. Hey daddy, I leave now, yeah?
Okay, Junior. Just the treat to drop off that thing for your mother, okay?
Alright, daddy. Come now. John, man, can't believe say disrespect Diana way there. Over them like a idiot, not like you, man. Shame for you, my youth. No, my youth, no. You fuck up big time still. So hope eventually she'll forgive me, star. For real. You fuck up, yes? You have a nice girl like Diane, put you up in a nice house like that, buy a beamer gear for drive, and you turn on and disrespect them over some like an idiot, girl. He's a madman. Deserve a beat, my youth.
You're a big time, listen now. And another time, Benz and Bimmer. Anything you want to drive, you drive you out. Man, as you say, you like the Mitsubishi Evolution there. All that is to come. Just have to make sure you say work with the program official. You see me?
Yo, man, sign up and register. Hold on. I want to do them way there.
Yo, I'm a brethren this, you know. The man is the wickedest singer in the world. Even them shit for them career. You see me? I can't say that still because the man is my key brethren. So that's my youth. May I have to go with a serious meds, you know. For real. Boy, come like a wrong time I come link you. Cause look like some everything you depend still. If you want me can come back next time still now cause you don't know. No man, you're good man. You're bridging the road boy. I left my out, I left anyway still. Besides me have to talk man, cause they look away. They look stressed the fuck out star. Come in my out, I could go around there so. Yo man, sort out if you sort out and come check your morning. You see me?
Yeah, man, do you think?
Hold on upon this. Call to advance. Get yourself some decent clothes. Ja.